How to sponsor someone on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to sponsor someone on Cash App. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the main Cash App keypad screen, where you can enter amounts to pay or request money and quickly reach your main features. Look toward the top right corner of the display and tap the profile icon. Taking this action brings up your main settings and personal account details. From there, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. From the options that are here, tap this one named Family. This is the family setup flow, where you manage account controls, customize the experience, and finish setting up access for your child or teen. First, tap I am a parent or guardian to confirm your status as the adult account owner and unlock parental oversight. Next, tap the date of birth field and enter their full birth date using the digits for the month, day, and year. Then hit Next to apply the appropriate age settings. Finally, review the confirmation summary and tap Complete Setup or Done to finalize the account link and grant them access under your oversight. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to sponsor someone on Cash App.